सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नमस्कार,
नमस्कार।
स्वागतम पुनरेकवारं। Dear friends, we are almost about to finish in a week or 2 weeks time. So this Panchatantra. This is the ninth story that is being studied by us. Navami Katha, Chaturdasha Kathasu, Navami Katha Gata Varge Prarabdha Asit. अस्याः कथायाः शीर्षकमस्ति वानर विडम्बित चंद्र भूपति कथा। कस्मिंचित् राज्ये अधिष्ठाने कश्चन राजा आसीत्। तस्य राज्ञः पुत्राः कपि वल्लभाः कपिप्रियाः वानरप्रियाः आसन् इति तत्र आदौ एव पठितम् अस्माभिः। How have now we are through the ninth story, wherein we are reading the story of a king by name Chandra and how he was cheated by a monkey, because he killed all the monkeys of his that monkey leader's family, and the monkey takes the revenge. So this is what is known as aparikshita karaka. You do something and you have to pay for it very heavily. How does the king Chandra pay for the misdeed of killing the monkeys en masse, for curing the, for treating the horses that were burnt in his kingdom? We are reading through this story. We are on page 682. We are right, Srinivas, Sankhya?
Yes, sir. एकसप्तत्युत्तर-शततमः वर्गः।
Today's class is 171, class 171 of Panchatantra, and the story is ninth story. Yes, Srinivas. And this story, let you remember once again, Suvarna Siddhi, the main character of this Tantra. Suvarna Siddhi is narrating this story to console his Chakradhara friend. Yes, Srinivas.
कलहान्तानि हर्म्याणि कुवाप्यन्तं च सौहृदम् पुराजान्तानि राष्ट्राणि कुकुर्मान्तं यशो नृणाम्।
So this particular poem is recited by the monkey leader to his followers not to stay in that kingdom anymore, because he foresees, rightly, the monkey leader foresees an impending danger coming to the extinction, to the very destruction of all the monkeys. But these young monkeys mock at the old monkey, wise monkey. So the older monkey or the leader monkey is saying, Kalahantani Harmyani. Harmyam, Harmye Harmyani. All homes, all households are homes. They finish by quarrel. They are done away with. They are destroyed. Kalahena, Kalahena, Kalaha Antaha, Antaha Yesham, or Kalahena Anto Yeshamiti va. Kalahena Antaha Bhavati. Since the Shabda Harmya is Napumsaka Srinivas, Harmyani, Gruhani, Kalahena Antani Bhavanti. Kalaha Karanena Tatra. Antani Bhavanti, Nashitani, Nashtani Bhavanti. So very simple. Homes or households get destroyed because of quarrel. Kuvakyantam cha sahrudam, friendship, mitrata. Kuvakyantam, between friends also, Srinivas. Friendship goes on well as long as there is smoothness. There is understanding between the friends. It could be between two persons or between a group of friends. As long as there is sauhardam, that goodness of heart is there, so long it goes on well. The moment if one of the friend happens to utter one bad word, kuvakyam, irrelevant and hurting word, There ends the friendship. Kuvakyaihi antam bhavati sauhrudam. Friendship also gets terminated by resorting to, bad word, bad language, kuvakya, harsh speech, whatever you say. Similarly, kurajantani rashtrani, and kingdoms also rashtrani, deshaha, kurajat or kuragnya, kurajena, अथवा दुष्टेन निकृष्टेन राज्ञा निकृष्टस्य निकृष्टात् राज्ञः कारणात् तत्र निकृष्ट राज्ञः कारणात् राष्ट्राणि अपि अन्तानि भवन्ति. Kingdoms get destroyed because of a wicked king. If the king is not good, then the country gets destroyed. Kukarmantam yasho nrunam. And men do karma. All men are supposed to do karma. We are all supposed to do karma. But we are also supposed to know what is good karma and what is sukarma and what is kukarma. What is akarma? Akarma, sukarma and kukarma. We have to know all these karmas. Karma is to be what is good karma, what is just karma, and what is a bad deed. So kukarmantam yasho nrunam. The fame of people also gets destroyed because of the bad deed they undertake. So he says, go ahead.
तन्न यावत् सर्वेषां संक्षयः भवति तावत् एतद् राजगृहं सन्त्यज्य वनं गच्छामः अथ तत् तस्य वचनम् अश्रद्धेयं श्रुत्वा मदोद्धता वानराः प्रहस्य प्रोचुः भो भवतः वृद्धभावात् बुद्धिवैकल्यं सञ्जातं येन एतद् ब्रवीषि उक्तं च.
So when an elderly person here, represented by the monkey leader Srinivas, who is well versed, already they said he was well versed person, and he used to teach Niti Shastra to the monkeys and also the Rajakumaras. And when he says this, his followers, tat na yavat, so he is still speaking, so tat na yavat sarvesham sanshayah bhavati nashaha bhavati. So before destruction takes place of all, sarvesham vanaranam nashaha yavatna bhavati, until before, so before the destruction takes place of all the monkeys, tavat etad rajagruham santyajya. So before it takes, we will leave this rajagruham. Tavat etad rajagruham santyajya tyaktva vanam gacchamaha. We will go to the forest. Very nice calculated thought of the monkey leader that we will give up this kingdom and go to the forest. Why so? Because in the last class, the reason was given. Monkey reasoned out that there is every day a quarrel between a sheep that is sneakingly gets into the kitchen and eats whatever it wants, and the cooks throw something or the other at the sheep. And tomorrow, if the cooks don't find anything readily available to them to hit the sheep, they will take the firebrand, that fire, burning fire log, and throw at the sheep. And once the sheep is kindled with the fire, it will go, and nearby there is a shed, what do you call, the horses shed, and it will go to the stable, horses stable, and then the stable, that horses stable is full of grass, and this, because of this wool getting burned of the sheep, the horses stable will also burn, and horses will be burnt. And once the horses are injured or burnt, then the only remedy for horses burning is the fat of the monkeys, and all monkeys will be killed to treat the horses. This was completely thought over by the Vanara Mukhya. Atha, then, when he said this, we'll go to the forest, then tat tasya vachanam ashraddheyam shrutva. Young people, what do they know? They thought unbelievable words he is speaking. Madodhataha vanaraha. That is why the writer says, Madena uddhataha garvitaha vanaraha. Those followers, monkeys, were so proud of arrogance. They were proud with their arrogance. Madena uddhataha. They were puffed of the arrogance. Prahasya. They laughed at the leader. Procho, and they said, Bho, bhavataha vruddha bhavat. You are now old. Vruddha bhavat. Because of your old age. Buddhi Vaikalyam, your intelligence is failing. Your intelligence is weak because of your old age. Sanjatam. Buddhi Vaikalyam Sanjatam Abhut. Because of your old age, your buddhi has become completely weak. Yena, because etad bravishes. That is why you are speaking like this. Why should we go? Their reason is now given. Why do they not want to obey and leave the kingdom? Uktam cha. Yes.
वदनं दशनैर्हीनं लालास्रवति नित्यशः न मतिस्फुरति क्वापि बाले वृद्धे विशेषतः.
And these monkeys, following monkeys, followers of this Vanara Shrestha, they are mocking at the leader and they say, Vadanam Dashanairi Heenam. Vadanam face, Dashanaihi Heenam, Dantaihi Heenam. The face of either a boy or an old man. Always, children, young children, face is without teeth. Dashanaihi Dantaihi Heenam. Lala Asravati Nityashaha. Always there is a saliva dripping down the mouth, right from, even in the case of the children. Bale Vruddhe. This is common to Bala and Vruddha here. In the case of Bala, there are no teeth, toothless, his mouth and saliva dripping. In the case of the Vruddha, also there are no teeth, teeth are gone and saliva also drops. So, Lala Sravati Nityashaha na matihi spurati. To such people, to Balas and to Vruddhas, mati does not click. Their intellect does not click. Spurati. Kvapi Bale Vruddhe Visheshata. Especially in old man, the followers are saying, especially the mind, the intelligence does not, click or does not come to the aid of a old man. Vruddhe Visheshatah na matihi spurati. Bale api na spurati. So you are old enough. That is why you are talking to leave this. How can we leave this? Come on. The reason is given now. Why they don't want to leave? Yeah, it was Navayam.
Yes. न वयं स्वर्गसमान उपभोगान् नानाविधान् भक्ष्य विशेषान् राजपुत्रैः स्वहस्तदत्तान् अमृतकल्पान् परित्यज्य तत्र अटव्यां कषायकटुतिक्तक्षारवृक्षफलानि भक्षयिष्यामः. तत् श्रुत्वा अश्रुकलुषां दृष्टिं कृत्वा स प्रोवाच, रे रे मूर्खाः, यूयमेतस्य सुखस्य परिणामं न जानीथ. I'll pause here, sir.
Yeah, better. So why do not the monkeys? Why don't the monkeys want to listen? I mean, follow the advice given by the senior monkey? They say, "Na vayam vanaraha, vayam bhavataha anucharaha, swarga samana upabhogan." We are not prepared to give up the enjoyments equal to swarga. Swargena samana upabhogan nana vidhan, various types of enjoyments. They are comforts they were accessible to. Nana vidhan bhakshya, various types of eatables. Bhakshya visheshan, special type of various type of special dishes. Visheshan Rajaputrai, who were giving these monkeys? Rajaputrai, because they were reared by the Rajaputras. Rajaputraihi Swahasta Dattan, they were given by the princes with their own hands, various types of highly delicious food. Amruta Kalpan, just like Amruta Devar. Amruta Tulya food, Amruta Kalpan Pariti. What are you saying, old man, old monkey? You want us to leave this Swarga Bhoga, Swarga Tulya, like heavenly food of various types, tasty food given by the princes with their own hands. Parityajya, leaving this, Tatra Atavyam, you want us to go to Atavi, to the forest? So what is available in forest? Kashaya, some astringent, katu thick, some pungent, ill-smelling, tikta bitter, kshara saline, ruksha dry, phalani. You want us to eat this kind of fruits? Only tasteless foods? Katu tikta kshara ruksha phalani bhakshayishyama. Kim chintayati bhavan? वयं तत्र गत्वा अटव्यां एतादृशानि निरर्थकानि फलानि भक्षयिष्यामः तच्छ्रुत्वा. Now once the monkeys rejected the proposal of the leader got into tears. Tachrutva ashru kalusham drishtim. His eyes were filled with ashru. Ashru purnam drishtim kalusham. Krutva. So his eyes were filled with tears. Then he said, Saprovacha, Re Murkhaha, you fools, yam etasya sukasya parinamam na janitha. You do not understand. You do not know the final result of this kind of enjoyment, what you are talking about. Nana Vida Bhaksha, etc., Amruta, Tulya, Bhojanam, etc. You do not know what is going to be the consequence of this. Because, foolish people cannot imagine. Their buddhi cannot have a futuristic vision as such. So you can't understand this. Then you have to read it.
Yes, sir. Kim pakarasaswadana prajametat sukham pariname vishavat bhavishyati tadaham kulakshayam swayam na avalokayishyami sampratam vanam yasyami uktam cha.
Then the leader said, Kim
Pakarasaswadana.
question, prashnartha. Pakarasaswadana prayametat sukham. Prayam tulyametat sukham. This sukha, which mostly is consisting in your tasting the juice of ripe fruits. Paka rasaswadana tulyam etat sukham pariname vishavad bhavati. What you are saying, this sukha, there is a variety of food consisting of tasty food they are offered by the Rajakumaras. Pariname, at the end, what is it going to be? Vishavad bhavishyati. It will become like poison. What you are saying, you are enjoying the various dishes, various amruta-like fruits. It is going to be in parinama, vishavad bhavishyati. Exactly the same Gita is told,
Yeah.
Yattadagre vishamiva pariname amrutopamam. Tatsukam satvikam proktam atma buddhi prasadajam. Bhagavad Gita, I think 18th chapter it is. Yattadagre vishamiva, that which is like poison in the beginning. Pariname amrutopamam. That which is like poison turns out in the parinama, the same word is used. Pariname vishavad bhavati. Yad amrutatulyam bhavati agre. Yattadagre amrutam bhavati. Vishayendriya samyogad. Next sloka is there. Vishayendriya samyogad yattadagre amrutopamam. Now, that is what is applicable in this case story. Vishayendriya samyogat yattadagre amrutopamam. That which is like amruta because of your sense perception in the beginning. Pariname visham bhavati. Tadaham, and the leader says that I kulakshayam swayam na avalokaisha. I will not be able to see the destruction of my own family. Sampratam idanim, now vanam yasyami. Varam gamishyami, I will go to the forest. I will alone go to the forest. I cannot see the destruction. The destruction is imminent. As the wise monkey can see, it is going to take place. So he decided to leave, because it is said,
मित्रं व्यसन संप्राप्तं स्वस्थानं परपीडितं धन्यास्तेजो न पश्यन्ति देशभङ्गं कुलक्षयम्.
Mitram Vyasana Sampraptam Swasthanam Parapeditam Dhanyahate Yena Pashyanti Deshabhangam Kulakshayam. So the leader says here, monkey, Te Dhanyaha. They are really fortunate people, blessed people. Te Dhanyaha. Ke Dhanyaha. Ye, those who Deshabhangam na Pashyanti, those who do not see the destruction of one's own country. Kulakshayam, those ye स्वकुलक्षयम न पश्यन्ति, ये मित्रम व्यसन संप्राप्तम न पश्यन्ति, ये जनाः स्वस्थानम स्वस्थानम स्वग्रामम वा स्व अधिष्ठानम वा परैः पीडितम न पश्यन्ति, ते धन्याः. Those people are really blessed, fortunate, who do not see their own country being destroyed, their own family being destroyed, their own friend getting into trouble, their own place being occupied by some other person. Seeing this is very, very painful. Seeing one's own friend getting into trouble is painful. Your own land being occupied by some enemy is painful. Your own country, Deshabhanga, is being destroyed, and you are seeing, witnessing helplessly, is very painful. Kulakshaya, you are there and your family is destroyed. The Vanaras are going to be destroyed now very soon. That is very painful. So I can't see this destruction. I am going. Evam vidhaya.
एवम् अभिधाय सर्वाः तान् परित्यज्य स यूताधिपः अटव्यां गतः. अथ तस्मिन्
Gate.
sorry sir,
Tasmin gate.
तस्मिन् गते अन्यस्मिन् अहनि स मेषः महानसे प्रविष्टः. यावत् सूपकारेण न अन्यत् किञ्चित् समासादितं तावद् अर्धज्वलितकाष्ठेन ताडितः. सोऽपि तेन ताडितः सन् जाज्वल्यमानशरीरः शब्दायमानोऽश्वकुट्यां प्रत्यासन्नवर्तिन्यां प्रविष्टः.
You can pause here. Yeah, better. So the Yuthadipaha, the Vanara Adhipaha, having said that, with very sad feeling and feeling sorry for them, they can't understand now. Evam abhidhaya uktva, having said like this, sarvaha, sarvam sthan, that is sarvan sthan, sarvan tan parityajya, leaving all those sarvan tan vanaran parityajya, sarva dharman parityajya, like. See how Gita is reflected here, Srinivas. Pariname Vishavad Bhavati, Gita is echoed here. And here also, Sarvantan Parityajya, Sarva Dharman Parityajya. We are still in the 18th chapter only. See, final decision of the monkey king. Sarvantan Parityajya, leaving all those monkeys, Tan, Vanaran, Sa Yutha Adipaha, Sa Yutha Adipaha, Vanaraha, Atavyam Gataha. He went into the forest, leaving all his followers. Atha then, Tasmin Gate Sati, when the leader left, Anyasmin Nahani, in the very following day, next day, Sameshaha, whatever the leader suspected, that is what is happening. Sameshaha, that sheep, Mahanase, Pakashalayam Pravishtaha, it entered into the kitchen again, as usual. Yavat Supakarena na Anyat Kinchit Samasaditam, when the Supakaraha, Sudaha, Pachakaha, the cook, could not find anything ready to hit, Tavat, when he did not find that, Ardhajvalita Kastena, so there was a firebrand, fire stick which was half burnt. Ardha jvalita kastena, with a fire wood which was half burnt. Taditaha, the mesha was taditaha. The sheep was hit. Sopi meshaha, that sheep also, tena taditaha, tena supakarena taditaha, being hit by that cook. Supakara. Na anyat kinchit, sorry, taditaha, sun being, that is, supakarena tena taditaha, sun being hit by him. Truna prachurya yuktayam kshitau. No. Sorry. Jajvalyamana shariraha. So when the sheep was hit by the half-burnt stick, Srinivas, it got immediately got fire. Jajvalyamana sharira, body started burning. Flames started coming out of the body. Jajvalyamana shariraha, blazingly fire caught. Shabdayamanaha, it was crying, making noise. Ashwakutyam, it went to end, as predicted by the monkey king, monkey leader, it entered into the stable of the horse stable. Ashwakutyam pratyasanna vartinyam, because that was adjacent to this kitchen. By this, very close to the kitchen was the stable, Ashwakuti. So Ashwakutyam pratyasanna samipa vartinyam pravishtaha, it entered into that. Burning his wool all. Yeah.
तत्र तृणप्राचुर्ययुक्तायां क्षितौ तस्य प्रलुटतः सर्वत्रापि वह्निज्वालास्तथा समुत्थिता यथा केचिदश्वाः स्फुटितलोचनाः पञ्चत्वं गताः केचित् बन्धनानि त्रोटयित्वा अर्धदग्धशरीरा इतश्चेतश्च ह्रेषायमाना धावमानाः सर्वमपि जनसमूहम् आकुलीचक्रु. Yeah.
So now the scene is the mesha, the sheep got burnt, its wool entered the stable and then started rolling in the stable where lot of grass was there. Tatra means Ashwakutyam, Truna Prachurya Yuktayam Ashwakutyam. In that stable, horse stable, which was full of truna, grass. Everywhere grass was there. Kshitau, on the ground, tasya pralutataha. The sheep started rolling on the ground. So, when there is a fire on the body, naturally. So kshitau tasya pralutataha, it was rolling. Sarvatrapi, as the sheep rolled on the ground, where there was a lot of grass, it was all strewn with grass, that stable. Sarvatrapi, everywhere, Vakti Jwalaha, everywhere fire caught. Agni Jwalaha, Tatha Samuttitaha, they flared up in such a way, Tatha Samuttitaha, Yatha, Kechid, the fires got ablazed in such a manner, Tatha means such a manner, as Kechid, few Ashwaha, horses, Spudita Lochanaha, Dagda Lochana, some horses got burnt their eyes. Panchatvangataha, and having got their eyes burnt, some died. Kechid, some more horses, Bandhanani Trotayitva, Bhangtva, they broke their tyings, they were tied to. They broke their tyings, Trotayitva, Ardha Dagda Sharira, half burnt with half burnt bodies. Itaschetaha, here and there, this is a scene we can imagine in cinemas we see.
Yeah.
In actuality also it happens. If imagine a horse stable full of grass is lit with fire, then what will happen? Horses will be going, making noise, going here and then. Some will break. So some died and some breaking their posts, and some Ardha Dagda Sharira with half their body burnt. Itaha cha itaha, here and there. Itascheta. Hreshayamana, neighing, making their sound. That is, horses do neighing. neighing, making sounds, dhavamanaha, running here and there, sarvamapi janasamoham akuli chakru. They made the people completely panicky. That entire thing was completely disturbed. That entire area was disturbed because of the flames and the horses getting loose there.
अत्रान्तरे राजा स विषादः शालिहोत्रज्ञान् वैद्यान् आहूय प्रोवाच भोः प्रोच्यताम् एषाम् अश्वानां कश्चिद् शमन उपायः तेऽपि शास्त्राणि विलोक्य प्रोचुः देव प्रोक्तमत्र विषये भगवता शालिहोत्रेण यत्.
So when this disaster took place, as was conceived, as was foreseen by the leader of the monkeys, it happened. Atrantare, in the meantime, Raja, the king, became very disheartened, very sorry. Savishadaha, with a dejected mood. Shali Hotragnan means those who are experts in the horse science. There is what is called a hippologist. Hippologist. Hippology is the science of horses, study of horses. So he called the hippologistic. Biologist, I can say, na? When there is a word like biologist, hippology is there. Hippologist, I can say. Shali Hotragnan means hippologist, Vaidyan Ahuya. So he called the experts in the horse sciences, Ahuya. Then the king told them, addressed them, Pro Vachabhoho, Prochatam, come on, tell me. Yesham Ashwanam, tell me about these horses. To this Kaschid Daha Upashama Upayaha. Please tell me about any remedy for this burning of these horses. Kaschid Dahopashama Upayaha. How to bring about Upashamana, that is reduction in the suffering. How to treat these burnt horses. Tepi means those Shalihotra Gnaha, Ashwashastra Gnaha, Tepi. Shastrani Vilokya, they consulted their sciences. Prochuhu, they said, He Deva, O king, Proktamatra Vishaye. In this matter, it is said in our science, in our hippology, Bhagavata Shalihotrina, by the revered, well celebrated Shalihotra, he said like this.
कपीनां मेधसा दोषो वह्निदाह समुद्भवः अश्वानां नाशमभ्येति तमः सूर्योदये यथा.
So what is the remedy? He asked, Daha Upashamanopaya, and they are saying, Kapinam Vanaranam Medasa. Now, what the earlier, just now, senior monkey said, Kapinam Medasa Doshaha Vaknidaha Samudbhavaha. Vaknidaha Samudbhavaha Doshaha Kapinam Medasa Nivaraitum Shakyati iti. And that too, Ashwanam Nashamabhyeti. Doshaha Nashamabhyeti. Now here it is like this, Srinivas. Vaknidaha Ashwanam Vaknidaha Samudbhavaha Doshaha. The problem of burning of the horses, Nasham Abhyeti, Nasham Gachati, will be put to end by what? Kapinam Medasa, by the fat of the monkeys. By way of taking out the fat from the monkeys and rubbing them on the burnt horses, they will have the upashamana. And that too, like what? Like Nashamabhyeti tamaha suryodaye yatha. Just like suryodaye, when sun rises, darkness is dispelled. In the same way, with the fat of the monkeys only, we can treat the burnt horses. As predicted, everything is happening. Next.
तत् क्रियताम् एतच्च एतत्
चिकित्सा
चिकित्सितं द्राक् यावदेते न दाहदोषेण विनश्यन्ति सोऽपि तदाकर्ण्य समस्तवानरवधमादिष्टवान् किं बहुना सर्वेऽपि ते वानरा विविधायुध लगुड पाषाणादिभिः व्यापादिताः इति.
So prediction has completely come true now. So when the Ashwashastragnas predicted that this is the only way to treat the burn injuries of the horses, then the king said, Tat kriyatam etat chikitsitam drak yavadetena daha doshena vinishya. So immediately king said, no, come, then do it. Kriyatam etat chikitsitam drak. This treatment should be given immediately. So that yavad, so that ete ashvaha na daha doshena vinashyanti marishyanti. So that these horses which are burnt, the burnt horses will not die of the burning. Sopi, and immediately Sahapi Raja, that king, Tadakarnya, listening to, I think that is said by the first line is said by the Shastragnas, Ashwashastragnas. So, king, it should be immediately treated. They should be immediately treated before they die. So, Sopi Raja, Tadakarnya, then the king, hearing that, said, Samasta Vanara Vadham Adishtavan. He is a king. Immediately ordered for the killing of all the monkeys. Kim Bahuna, what to say more? Sarve Pite Vanaraha, all those monkeys, Vividhayuda Laguda, they were, how were they killed? He is telling us now. Sarve Pite Vanaraha, Vividha Ayuda, various weapons, they were used to kill them. And also Laguda, the sticks were used. Pashana, stones with sticks. Pashanadibihi, with sticks, stones, and other instruments, adivihi, vyapaditaha, maritaha iti. They were all killed. No sooner the treatment advice came from the doctors, king ordered for the killing of the entire group of the monkeys. Atha.
अथ सोऽपि वानरयूथपस्थं यूथपः तं पुत्रपौत्रभ्रातृसुत
Bhagine, Bhagineya,
भागिनेयादि संक्षयं ज्ञात्वा परं विषादम् उपागतः संत्यक्त आहारक्रियः वनाद्वनं पर्यटति अचिन्तयच्च कथमहं तस्य नृपापसदस्यान् नृणतां कृत्येन अपकृत्य करिष्यामि.
So once these monkeys were killed by the king, he, what do you call, he ordered en masse killing of the, that is the word, king ordered en masse killing of the monkeys. And this was known to the leader who left to the jungle. Ata Sopi, who is that? He also, Vanara Yuthapaha, that leader of the monkey who left earlier, wise leader, Tam, coming to know that Tam Vishadam, that tragedy, Vishada is tragedy, great tragedy, wherein, in which tragedy, Putra, his own sons, Pautra, grandsons, Bhratru Suta, sons of his brother, Bhagineya, sisters, brother, I mean the nephews, sisters, sons, Bhagineya Adi, and other relations, all his relations, including his son and grandson, etc. Sankshayam Nasham Gnatva, knowing Tam Nasham, that Vanara Yuthapaha Tam Sankshayam Nasham Gnatva, having come to know that all his family members have been killed as he feared. Param Vishadam, he went into supreme dejection. Param Vishadam Upagataha, he became extremely sad. Upagataha Santyakta Ahara Kriyaha. Then he became so sad. Naturally, when the whole family is being wiped out, terminated, as he envisaged this happening, Santyakta ahara kriyaha. He left his eating also. Naturally, no man would like to eat when such a tragedy takes place. Vanad vanam parirate, and he started roaming like a mad monkey from one forest to the another forest. Achintayat, and then he thought. Then he, while roaming sadly, he had a thought. Kathamaham, how am I? Tasya nrupa apasadasya, that wicked king, that vile king, nrupadhamasya, anrunatam krutyena apakrutya karishyami. How am I going to pay him back in the same way? Like he killed my entire family. So how am I going to pay? Anrunatam means how can I do the injury in such a manner to pay him back in the same? Anrunatam krutyena apakrutya, by harming him karishyami. So how am I going to take revenge in simple terms? In the same manner, how am I going to take revenge?
उक्तं च
Hmm.
मर्षयेद्धर्षणां योऽत्र वंशजां परनिर्मितां भयाद्वा यदि वा कामात् स ज्ञेयः पुरुषाधमः.
Then who is, so the monkey is so sad, how am I going to revenge? Then he says, Marshayet, huh? Marshayet darshanam yo atra. Darshana means here attack. Huh? Yaha purushaha darshanam pidam marshayet. Kidrushim darshanam vamshajam. Born, that the attack done to the vamshaja, to the family. Paranirmitam, by whom? By others. Shatru nirmitam. So, yaha purushaha paranirmitam vamshajam darshanam marshayet sahet. He, the one who tolerates, endures with, puts up with the, what do you call, the destruction brought about by somebody to his own family. Out of what? Bhayadva yadiva kamat. Either due to fear, if one keeps mum, that idea is, if any person keeps silent, having seen the destruction of his own family out of fear, bhayatva, or yadiva kamat, or out of some kind of, uh, some kind of desire, here, kama. Sagneya, such a person should be noted, known, should be understood. Purusha adhamaha, such a man is to be considered as the degraded most of man. Degraded, the most degraded of men. Purusha adhamaha, the lowest of the men. One who, out of fear or some kind of greed or desire, keeps silent even at the after coming to know the destruction of his family. I am not going to be like that. That is the idea. Yeah.
अथ तेन वृद्धवानरेण कुत्रचित् पिपासाकुलेन भ्रमता पद्मिनीषण्डमण्डितं सरः समासादितम्. तद् यावत् सूक्ष्मेक्षिकया
Kaya avalokayati.
अवलोकयति तावत् वनचरमनुष्याणां पदपङ्कितप्रवेशोऽस्ति न निष्क्रमणम्. ततश्चिन्तितं तेन नूनमत्र जलान्ते दुष्टग्राहेण भाव्यम्. तत् पद्मिनी नालमादाय दूरस्थोपि जलं पिबामि.
So we are told in the story that the monkey Vruddhavanara had given up Santyakta Ahara. Already it had Santyakta Ahara Kriyaha, already said. It had given up eating. Once the leader came to know of the destruction, the great destruction of his family. So naturally he must be very thirsty. अततेन वृद्धवानरेण, by that वृद्धवानर कुत्रचित् पिपासाकुलेन, he was so thirsty, so somewhere he was roaming भ्रमता, somewhere while roaming, being very thirsty, pipasa पीडितः पीडितेन Padmini Shandamanditam Saraha Samasaditam Drishtam. So he came across one lake Saraha, which was Padmini Shandamanditam, which was completely surrounded by the Padmini means lotus, Srinivas, lotus. What do you call a group of lotus, Padmini lotuses. Padmini Shanda means Samoha Manditam. It was filled with you know a lot of what you call lotus creepers, Padmini, right? Padmini Shanda Nama Samoha Manditam, a lake Saraha. This is adjectival to Saras Shabda. Kidrusham Saraha Padmini Bihi Padmininam Shandaihi Manditam Bhushitam, which was full of lotus creepers. We came across that. Now, there is a reason why he is specifically using this Padmini Shandamanditam, Samasaditam, Praptam, Tad Yavat Suks. So, when he reached that lake full of the lotus creepers flowers, Tad Yavat Sukshma Ikshikaya Avalokayati. This clever monkey, Buddhamanara, when he watched that area very closely, minutely, observed Sukshma Ikshikaya, in a closer observation, in a closer observation, when he sees Tavat, then Vanachara Manushyanam, then he found there on a scrutinizing look, on a closer observation, Vanachara, sorry, Tavad Vanachara Manushyanam, there were forest dwelling peoples. Padapankti Pravesho Asti. He saw a track of the foresters going into the lake. There was no track of coming out of the lake. See the cleverness of this monkey here. The monkey so closely observed the foot track of the foresters getting into the lake. But what if they have gone into the lake? There should also be a track of coming out, na? Monkey did not see that. Padapankti Pravesho Asti na Nishkramanam. There was no coming back from that lake. The monkey got scared. Oh, there is something fishy about it now. Tataha then Chintitam Tena Vruddhavanara. Then immediately thought, Nunam, surely Atra Jalante, in this water, Jalasyante, in the midst of this water, Dushtagrahena Bhavyam, there is something, there must be some monster inside. That is why the track is going in and not coming out. Oh, and now see the dilemma. What to do? He is so thirsty, he has not eaten over the days. Very thirsty, he wants to drink the water. So he has an idea now. Tat, so Padmini Nalamada, he took the hollow stalk of so many creepers were there. Na? He pulled up one hollow stalk of the lotus and put it like a pipe. He used it.
Straw like today.
Huh?
Straw. Today's straw.
Yeah, just like straw, we drink Coca-Cola, etc. That is what. He put that lotus stalk, hollow stalk into the water and hollow it is said. Tad Padmini Nalamadaya took a nala, the stalk, and started sipping. Durastopi standing away. Durastaha, not getting into the water. Jalam pibami. So he decided, no, let me drink like this. If I get in, I will not come back.
तथा अनुष्ठिते तन्मध्यात् निष्क्रम्य रत्नमाला विभूषितकण्ठः तम् उवाच भोः अत्र यः सलिले प्रवेशं करोति समे भक्ष्यः इति तन्नास्ति धूर्ततरः त्वत् समोऽन्यो यः पानीयमनेन विधिना पिबति ततः तुष्टोऽहं प्रार्थयस्व हृदयवाञ्छितम्.
When this clever old monkey used this idea, observed the area very minutely, and came to know that there is some danger here, and took the lotus stalk to decided to drink through the lotus stalk and did it so and drank. तथा अनुष्ठिते तथा कृते सति तन्मध्यात् मीन्स तस्य सरसः मध्यात् राक्षसः निष्क्रम्य दुष्टग्रह that is what rakshasa, a demon came out from that water. Nishkramya, coming out. Ratnam, how was that rakshasa? Ratnamala vibhushita kantaha. His neck was decorated with Ratnamala, a necklace of gems. Uvacha, he addressed this monkey. Oh, atra yaha salile pravesham karoti. Whoever enters into my water, same bhakshyaha, he becomes my food. Iti. Tan nasti, tat na asti, and that is not dhurtataraha tvatsamo anyaha. Tat nasti, but there is not a dhurtataraha means here extremely clever. Although it is an abuse like tan nasti, there is no dhurtataraha tvatsamaha. Tvatsamaha means tvayasamaha. Tvat, Srinivas. Tvatsamaha tvayasaha dhurtataraha. There is no nasti. There is no extremely shrewd, cleverer fellow than you. Yaha, anyaha, there is no one. Yaha who paniyam anena vidhina pibati. Who drinks water like this. That means the Rakshasa is complimenting the Vanara. Understand? How is he complimenting? I have not seen anybody so extremely clever like you, not coming into the water. If you come into the water, you will become my food. You are so clever that you are drinking water, but without entering into my water body. So you are the tan nasti dhurtataraha tvatsamaha tvattulyaha anyaha yaha paniyam jalam anena vidina anena prakarena pivati. I have not seen a fellow like you. You are very clever. Tataha, then tushtoham. Then the Rakshasa said, I am very happy. I am happy with your intelligence, your shrewdness. Prarthayasva. Come on, ask for. Hridaya vanchitam. Whatever you want. Whatever your heart, mind says you ask for, I will give you one vara.
कपिः आह भोः कियती ते भक्षणशक्तिः स आह शतसहस्रायुत लक्षाण्यपि जलप्रविष्टानि भक्षयामि बाह्यतः शृगालोऽपि मां घर्षयति.
Then see the cleverest monkey. When the Rakshasa asked, was pleased with his behavior and ready to grant him a boon, what is he asking now, the Vanara? Kapiraha, he said, Boho, Rakshasa, understood? Kiyati te bhakshana shakti, what is your capacity of eating? How many people can you eat? So because the monkey has already planned here immediately. Kiyati te bhakshana shakti, what is the capacity? What is your eating capacity? Then this Rakshasaha Shata Sahasra Ayuta Lakshanyapi Jala Pravishtani Bhakshayami. I can eat 100 Shata Sahasra 1000 Ayuta 10,000 Lakshanyapi, even lakh people also. Jala Pravishtani Bhakshayami. If 1 lakh people also get into my water, I can eat. That is my capacity. Beginning with 100,000, 10,000 and lakh Bhakshayami. Then but bahyataha, but from outside, Shugalopi bam darshayati. Even a jackal can scare me. can defeat me. Darshayati parajayate tiraskaroti. But when if I am out of this body, water body, even a jackal can scare me, can insult me. Just like a crocodile being in the water, powerful, outside the water. You know that famous Subhashita of Vemana, నీటిలోని, what is that? Sorry. Musali, నీటిలోని ముసలి, నిగడ ఏనుగును పట్టు. It's like that. Yes, you know.
वानराः अस्ति मे केनचित् भूपतिना सहात्यन्तं वैरं यदि एनां रत्नमालां मे प्रयच्छसि तत् सपरिवारमपि तं भूपतिं वाक्प्रपञ्चेन लोभयित्वा अत्र सरसि प्रवेशयामि.
So this particular sentence, Bahyatah Sugalopimam Dharshayati Tiraskaroti Parajayate, is then it is reminded of that Vemana Shataka Srinivas. Neetiloni Musali Nigadi Nugunu Pattu Baita Kukka Cheta Bhanga Padunu. Tanavalame Gani Tanavalamukadaya Vishwadabhirama Vinravema. So that is what the Rakshasa says. If I am in the water, I can eat hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 1 lakh people also. But outside, even a Shrugala can reject me, scare me. Then Vanara said, okay, asti, there is. Me kenachid bhupatina saha atyantam vairam. I have extreme enmity with some king. Kenachid bhupatina. Why should he tell the name? I have extreme enmity with some king. Kenachid bhupatina saha atyantam vairam. Yad enam ratnamalam. But he says, the ratnamala which you are putting on, the Rakshasa had a ratnamala, na? So he is asking, enam ratnamalam me prayachasi, yadi prayachasi. If you give me, if you consent to give me this diamond necklace, jewel necklace, tat saparivaramapi tam bhupatim vakprapanchena lobhayitva atra sarasi praveshayami. Then I can bring the whole family of the king to this lake. Saparivaram with his entire family, tam bhupatim, that king, vakprapanchena means by my eloquent speech, by my fluent speech, vakprapanchena, prapanchena, lobhayitva, cheating with my talent of my tongue, lobhayitva, atra, here, sarasi praveshayami, I will make them enter into this lake. So you will have so much of food. You can eat, na? Hundreds, thousands, hundreds, lakhs you can eat. So I have great enmity with a king. I will get that entire family of the king so that you can eat it.
सोऽपि श्रद्धेयं वचस्तस्य श्रुत्वा रत्नमालां दत्त्वा प्राह भो मित्र यत् समुचितं भवति तत् कर्तव्यम् इति.
So the Rakshasa is a good Rakshasa here. Sopi Rakshasaha Shraddheyam Vachaha Tasya Vanarasya Shrutva, having listened to those reliable words of that Vanara, Ratnamalam Dattva, he immediately consented to give the necklace to him. Dattva, Praha, he said, Bhoho Mitra, oh my Mitra, that is, Halanta is honest, oh my friend, Yat Samuchitam Bhavati, whatever is proper, whatever is justified, Tat Kartavyam, that you should do. But you must also understood that you return my necklace very safely. Can we stop here?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Namaste.
Right, namaskar.